Hey guys, today we're going to review multiplying fraction and whole number. So we have done multiplication for a number of years. So if you have 5 groups of 2, you know that's 5 times 2, which is 10. And if we're to draw a picture, it's going to look something like this. 5 groups of 2, which will give you 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right. Now, if I have 2 groups of 5, that's 2 times 5, and it's going to look like this. Notice when I use the word of, it's meaning multiply. So take a look. I have 2 groups of 5. If I count them, that's 5, 10. All right, so now in math, of, as I just said, means multiply. So if I take 1/2 of 12, that means 1/2 times 12, and that's 6. Let me show you what that looks like. So if I have 12, put 12 circles, and I fill in half of them, that would be 6. I have a half of 12. Each half would give me a total of 12. Now, if I have 2/3 of 6, that means 2/3 times 6, which is 4. Let me show you why. So I'm going to draw 6 dots, and I'm going to divide them into thirds, and then I'm going to shade in 2 groups of them. So I have 6 dots. I've put them in groups of 3 equal groups, so each one is 1/3. And if I have 2/3, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 total. Okay, let's look at another example. If I have 1/4 of 12, that means 1/4 times 12, and the answer is 3. Let me show you why. I draw 12 dots. I divide them into 4 equal groups. Each group is 1/4. And then I look at how many dots are in 1/4, and that equals 3. If I have 3/5 of 20, that means 3/5 times 20. The answer is 12. Let me show you why. I'm going to take my 20 dots, put them into 5 equal groups. Each group is equal to 1/5. So I have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I took 20 divided by 5, which gave me 4 in each group. Now I need to know what 3 of those fifths is. And so I shade in 3 of those groups. So that's 3/5, which gives me 12 dots. If I have 2/3 of 9, that means 2/3 times 9. The answer is 6. Let me show you why. I'm going to take 9, divide it into 3 equal groups. There will be 3 in each group. And then I'm going to shade in 2 of the groups. So I have 9 dots, 3 in each group. And then I know what 2 of them are, and that's 6 dots total. 6. My last example is 3/4 of 16. So I know that's 3/4 times 16. I draw 16 dots divided into 4 groups. So each group is 1/4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 3 of those 4 groups gives me a total of 12. Practice some on your own.